At the end of this video, I'm going to address something that does not sit well with me when it comes to my viewers. It's really just getting to me, and I think I should firstly do the video and thereafter I can address it. Okay. So Msizi is the kind of guy that will ask for your opinion, and when you give him that opinion, he will challenge it. He will try and wrestle against whatever that you're telling him. Mind you, he is the one that came to you and asked for your opinion, and when you give it to him, he's got something to say about it. So he decided to call Umboni to come to the, what do they call that thing, where he wants to a scrapyard, where he's trying to buy it, and now he's asking for her to spiritually check if the indawo iraiti pepile. But then she did say to no, it's not. And then he was challenging that, and she was asking, how did you want me to have a look at this place and then tell you what I see in the realm of the spirit, or did you yourself wanted to tell me what you think? Because it's not two-way around. I have to tell you what I saw. So best believe that is exactly what it is. And if you decided to continue with naleli shishini lako, you can do so. But I'm not saying that don't continue with your business. I'm just saying Linda ayilunganga ina mimoya ngekho right. As to what kind of imimoya, I just don't know. But ayilunganga. And if you want to continue, it's fine. Then she took the money and left. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we are going to be reviewing Scandal. Why am I saying Scandal? It's because I'm upset, but we are going to review House of Zwide. Sanibona and Abshin Molweni Minjani. Hibukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nona kwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma koroslo sithabisa kangi kahle. Looking at the fact that Keleto is not really happy about what is happening with her boyfriend. If you remember on the previous episode, Lomfundisi Ezekiel did say ukuthi abantwana, if they are not complying with what you want, threaten them. It does not matter what you do, just make sure that you make sure ukuthi abantwana laba bayenza lento lokumele bayenze. And that driver obviously did, and it sounded like, or it felt like, a corporal punishment that used to happen back in the days in school, and that did not really sit well with a lot of people, to a point where Keleto was not happy looking at her boyfriend. I don't know if we call him a boyfriend or a friend. He's a friend that is a boy anyway. She was not happy with that, and she felt like that's something that should bring red flags to people. But there's nothing that is a red flag. Because why? Because poti or prophet or father Ezekiel wa khona go dlala ka leleme la gage man kore ha bua motho mongwe le mongwe wa wela, because he makes it sound so dramatic and makes it sound that everyone, whatever he is saying is true. So now Keleto decided to tell her father. This was a conversation that they had sitting on the around the table, and the father was just telling them as a family that, there's another counselor Liana Unkarin bambulaile utsamaile ntho tse diragalang no. And well, Keleto was upset that her father was not saying anything about her boyfriend. And then she said, are you not gonna say anything? Then he says, what do you want me to say? He said, I want you to go there and try and speak to him, tell him we are here for him and we are here to assist should he need any assistance from us. Then the father said, well, I can try, but remember the choice is his. I can go and try and speak to him, but he will decide whether he wants the help or not. Which then happened soon after that the Isaac decided to go to the Tabernacle of Light. And when he got there, he did find Hore, shoe boyfriend Keleto, the Ezekiel. And then he says, you know what, I've heard about what has happened to you, and I'm just here to tell you that what has happened is not right. It's abusive tendencies, and we can't deal with that. And I want you to get out of here. Come with me. I'll protect you. I'll take care of you. I don't know. Father, I don't know. Father, what in the world? What? O tlhokomela ka mabaka a mafeng, o tlhokomela kae, o go tlhokomela byang, o tlhokomela byang. So father then he was saying gore bona moshimane wa bolela a re hanya ke gore o mo tlhokomele gata ko sene. He left, and the conversation between father le Katlego, it was like, oh, you're such a smart boy, if you want me, I know that this man, he has his family, his wife and children depend on him, psychologically damaged. I know that they depend on him, but I can fire him. I can fire him right now. And get lost. No, but then if we can't let another family, another household to lose food on the table. We cannot do that. So I just want us to at least talk to him, make sure that he understands. He just have to talk to us and we will listen and we will understand. And ngaine yondila habo ufa lungano Pastor Ezekiel or Muruti Mbumbulu. Ezekiel has won. Katleko did not go home. Isaac left home and then for home. And then Isaac did say to Ukatle, listen, whenever, however, whatever you need, you can come to me and I'll be there to the rescue. He gave the uncomfortable smile to show that and I don't understand why. But on the other hand, hey, Mulefe decided to writing down all his sorrows and just trailing himself. I don't know if that's was it meditation, saying all the nice things about himself and how he's gonna stand up and do right and do better by himself. And also on the other hand, it looks like Faith is trying to pick up. She says that the layers of what she has went through, it sounds like it's going out. And this is what soon after Umsizi booked them a massage, and then they are feeling so good with Ules. Les even says that she's shining, he's glowing. So Msizi should continue whatever that he's doing, or wherever he's getting the money, he should continue getting it, because if he's going to be spoiling us rotten like this, yeah, this is the kind of love that we need. Now Faith feels like she's feeling better because now she's keeping herself busy. But best believe indaba kakhulu kusesazobuya mntasekhaya, I don't believe ukuthi iphele kanjalo nje and then she's out of it and that's it. Something somewhere somehow tells me ukuthi isazobuya lento, and mayibuya well, she's most likely ukungena ngekhanda. There is a new business that is under wraps and people don't want to talk about it. Is a business between Neo and Tato. So these two are going on behind Mampo's back, and best believe Mampo against all odds when she finds out she's going to strike. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next upload. Now I want to address what is happening, guys. My channel is a review channel. I review television shows. I do not post full videos. I post only the reviews of the episodes that have already aired. So when you guys come to my comment section and start harassing me and start complaining how I am not posting full videos, wasting your time and stuff, it's a bit unfair, because my title does not say it's a full video. It says a full video review of yesterday. Be nice.